Finally, after a couple of years, we have some Nest Hub and Smart Display games that take advantage of both your Google Assistant and the colour displays. So, with that in mind, we've decided to go hands-on to give you a taste of what to expect. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. Google is really pushing proper interactive experiences on Smart Display and Nest Hub hardware thanks to some changes made to the framework that handles on-screen visuals. Combine this with the increase in at-home schooling and global COVID-19 lockdowns, and you've got a recipe for boredom-beating entertainment. You may already be aware of the plethora of audio-only games that you can play on Google Nest Hub, Nest Mini, Home Mini, Google Home, Smart Speaker and Smart Displays. Unlike those, these games use the display to enhance the experience with on-screen hints, clips, videos and more. Existing Google Assistant games have relied heavily on audio cues, music and tips to be effective. If you do have a Smart Display or Google Nest Hub device, you can play the games via a combination of touch-based controls and voice commands, which will be ideal for children especially. To get started, you only need to say, "Hey Google, let's play a game." Thanks to the touch-enabled display, you can actually interact and play games by tapping the display too, something that might make you more inclined to fire up some of the latest titles. So without any further ado, here's the full list of brand new Google Assistant games. Essentially Pictionary with real-time part modes so that you can compete against friends and family. You'll need to guess what's being drawn on screen as quickly as you can, which ups the ante and stress levels even further still. A classic TV game show hosted by Alex Trebek with weekly leaderboards, the ultimate US TV quiz might be ideal for family trivia nights with all the classic Jeopardy modes. Probably the world's most popular multi-choice quiz that pits you against yourself and other players thanks to weekly leaderboards. You can use a lifeline to narrow down your selections, but unfortunately, even if you do make it to $1 million, don't expect a check at the end. A quiz that tests your general knowledge on a wide array of subjects including history, sports, art, entertainment, geography and science. This feels like a high quality rip-off of Trivial Pursuit with added modes, and you can control this fully with touch controls. An interactive game where you can come up with items in a range of categories where the word begins with a random letter. It's a quick-fire game that tests your immediate naming skills or lack thereof. A great way to get your daily crossword fix without needing to even pick up a pen. Definitely one for those that like to tackle proper brain teasers and know their stuff on a wide array of subjects. The classic template word game lets you create silly stories and is perfect for a quick laugh. Plus it will also keep children and adults alike entertained with ridiculous tales of oddity. Definitely aimed at the kids out there, Talk to the Wiggles is a choose-your-own-adventure game that includes sing-alongs with the band. We can imagine you'll get annoyed by the chipper nature of the band on early weekday mornings though, so this is definitely one for the younger children out there. A combination of an escape room with hints of murder mystery where you'll need to try and work out how to get out of a predetermined scenario. I found this one a little frustrating, but I guess that is all part of the fun. So while those games are the latest additions, it isn't the most exhausted list, as more are set to be added over the coming months as Google partners with top game developers to bring even more popular titles to your Assistant-powered home speakers. We have to say that the interactive visual elements help make games feel far more engaging and interesting, which is definitely lacking in audio-only games like Song Quiz. Now if Google can find a way to cast these games from your Nest Hub or Smart Display to your Chromecast, then that will be pretty exceptional for home entertainment purposes. So with that said, have you tried any of the latest Assistant games? If so, which is your favourite? Let us know down in the comment section below. But until next time, this is Damien with 9 to 5 Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.